Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today and checking out this final test video of Dan and Patrice's Breckwell brand analog pellet stove controller. Dan sent me this one because he was having some problems with the auger drive system on it. I received it, I've checked it all out, and Dan, as I noted to you in my communications, I cannot find an issue with this controller. The pellet drive system seems to be working exactly as it should. So I'm returning this to you, and we'll work together to see what we can find on your stove that may be causing you a problem and see how we can resolve it. In any case, we'll go through testing here just to make sure that everything is the way that it should be and that we're happy with the performance. So I'll set it to low to start with. I'll go ahead and turn it on. I have it connected to my tester, and my tester uses 3 different light bulbs to simulate the different features of the stove: the combustion fan, the auger motor, and the convection or room fan. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, and what should happen is the combustion fan and the convection fan, the room fan, should come on just like that. So that's functioning okay. I'm on low. Sorry about that. I'm on low. So the couple of 3 things that I can check right now are the manual feed button, which is the momentary switch. If I press that, we'll see the auger drive come on. Notice how I'm able to make that happen. So that's working correctly. The next thing is I'll go to the high fan position on the switch, and that will cause the red indicated light to shine brighter, which would indicate that more power is sent to the motor and the motor will run faster. So that's working correctly. The last thing I can do in this manual mode is go through the low BCDE max switch positions, and as I do that, the intensity of the convection or room fan will increase and decrease. So B, C, D, E, and max. D, E, and max. So notice, as with all controllers of this type, D, E, and max have no effect on the speed of the fan, the room fan. So they are wired together on the controller, and that cannot be changed. But C, B, and low do have an effect. So there's 4 different speed positions. So I'll leave it on low. So that's it for the manual side of the controller. Let's go to automatic. To do that, you press on the auger button, and that, if everything is correct, will cause this light to come on. And when I say everything is correct on your stove, when you press this, basically the exhaust fan has to be running and your vacuum switch needs to be made. And once those 2 things are done, you can get the green light at the top when you press the auger button. So that starts a 30-second approximately timer, and that timer will determine when the auger comes on. So let's just let it wait or time through here, and we'll see the auger drive come on and then off. So it'll be on for a short period of time and off for a longer period of time, approximately 20 seconds off and 4 seconds on, or 2 seconds on, really quick. So you saw that it worked. We have a little light just above the word pellet. There's a through hole on the faceplate. There's an LED on the back that you can see when the controller is trying to drive the auger motor. There it goes again. So that's functioning in low. I'm going to go to the max position, and what that will do is cause the auger to drive longer and more often. So let's wait for that to happen. Notice now it's on longer and off. And that off duration, the duty cycle, will be shorter. I guess I should say the duty cycle will be more often. Anyway, so there it is, Dan and Patrice. Your pellet stove controller is functioning correctly. Everything on it is fine. As I said, I did not find anything wrong with this guy. So we will be in communications once you receive this, once you get it reinstalled. And we'll work together to see what could be wrong with your stove that it is not feeding pellets. For all of you other Breckwell owners up there, or other pellet stove brands, if you have a controller that's failed on you, or you have questions about it, my contact information will be found in the comments for this video below, the description of the video. Check that out. I have a couple of different videos on troubleshooting this very brand of controller, which may be helpful to you, so that it'd be worthwhile for you to sit through and watch those. And I do hope that if you enjoyed this video, you'll take the time to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I always appreciate that. So Dan and Patrice, thank you very much. I appreciate you sending this to me. let's get together over the phone and we'll figure out what's wrong with your stove and we'll make it work once more time. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.